Hello friends, so in this video we will learn about functions in NumPy. To do function in NumPy, so we will write here function, and after that, like what we will do, we will import NumPy as np, and we will create an array here, variable equal to np.array is the command to create your variable. So we will create one variable here, 1 2 3 4, sorry, an array here 7 and 8. So we will create an array, and first of all I will print this. So I will print this and run this. So here I have done a mistake here, so, and then I will run this. So like this is our array, and we will use, first of all, our function is where function. So where function will tell us, like if we want to sort out some values, like how many times 2 is appear through indexing. So it will index that number. So like if I will index this, index, and I will just tab it to here, here, and put some numbers here. Like it will start indexing from 0, then it will go 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So our indexing will be till 7. So this function will help us out to index the element of array. So like if we will create one, first of all we will create one variable here, and in this variable what we will do, we will do np.where, and then we will put where equal to 8, and then what I will do, I will print x1. So it will show what, like it's 8 is in our 7th position, and like I will just increase the size, so it will show us like 8 is in our 7th position. So if you count it from here, so 0 1 2 3, so it will be on the 7th position, and it is of integer type. So next, like we can give other commands also. Like if I will just copy this, we can even do the remainder part also. Like we have this array here, and if we will say, like in the place, I will just copy this again and put it here, and here I will do 2, I will make it a 2, variable 2, and here also I will make a variable 2. And what I will do, like where I will say if this variable is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, and we say like if the remainder is 0, and I have to close this also. So what are the numbers? So it will give the elements, so it will give the indexing of those numbers. Like if I will run this, so it will give 1, so 0 1 2 is the number, then 3 0 1 0 1 2 3, that will be the 4 3, then 4 5, and then 7. So according to that it will give the indexing of all the number which are divided by 0. If I will give it 1 here and then run is, the number will be changed. So this is the way we will do indexing and use the where function. Next thing is, like if we will use here another function which is search sort array. So how we can use this, we have to see the search sort array. So search sort array is position of array which is not in the list. So it will give us the position of array which is not the element of that array which is not present in that list. It will give position of that array. So like suppose, like if we will copy this array first of all and put it here, and then we will use this function, and which is your sort search array. So now like if you will create, first of all what I will do, I will create an variable here x1, is already there, so I will create another variable. So x1, I will create x3 and equal to np dot search, and then we will write sorted, search sorted, and we will give the name of this variable. They will open the bracket and we will give variable. I will give it just name 1, so that we have a different variable here, variable 1, and then I will put comma, and then like if I will remove one value from here, like that will be your 5, so I will remove this value and here I will give 5, and then I will just copy this, then I will just print, I will just copy this and go here and print x3 and run it. So it will give like 4 will be in our 4 indexing 0 1 2 3 4. So this is the way we can do search sort. So it will give like where we can put this 5 number, so we can put the 5 number in the 4th position. Like if you want to give 2 numbers here, like 5, and then the next number is I want to give 9, so it can even give for that also. So in this time it will give 1 will be in the 4 and the another one will be in the 7, and I can give another number also, 11 also. Let's see. So that will start from 7 and then it will go to the other side. So this way we can do search sort array. Next thing is like we can even use sort array also. So sort array is basically used to ordering a sequence. So basically to put a sequence of numbers, or either for your like your string also, we can use sort array. So sort array, I will put the heading here, sort array, and then I will go here, and after that I will put a variable. I will put a 3 here, and what I will do, I will just copy it from the above position and just change this number now, and I will put it here 3. So it is variable 1, so I will put it variable 2 here, and just put some random numbers here. 0 is I will put here, so not 0, I will put 10 here, and here I will put 6, 8, here I will put 18, and here I will put 7 is okay, here I will put 26, here I will put 44, here I will put 38, and here I will put 12. So now we have numbers which are random number, and now we want to sort them. So first of all, what I will do, I will print this. So to print this, I will write print here and variable 2 and enter. So it will print all the numbers in our list. Next thing, we have to sort these. So to sort these, first of all, I will create an array here, or we can do directly also. We will put print, and here I will put sort, and then np.sort. I will put np.sort first, np.sort sort, and here I will give the name of our variable, which is variable 2, and just enter. So now it has sort all the number, and we can even give like your integers, like in the case we have given integers, and we can even use string also. Like if I will create another variable which is variable 3, and here I will create some values like b, then I will put c, or not c, I will put a, d, and I will put here a, b, c, and I will just change it. I will put it L, and here I will put J. So now we have created an array here. I will just put it in the array and close it here. Now if you want to print this, I will print this array first, So now we have array, but if you want to sort it, so what we can do, I will again print keep this function here, and here we will put variable 3 and just run this. So now all our like alphabets are in sequence. So this is the way we can do sequencing of these numbers. Beside that, like we can also use filter also. So filter function is used to filter the elements from the array and to create a new array. So what it will do, it will also create a new array also. So that thing can be done with your filter. To create a filter, we will first of all we will do your filtering and to filter. So and like how we can create, so like suppose we will take this array, I will copy this and print it here and give it another name 4, and then what we will do, we will create another variable which is y, and here we will put the values which we want to see, we will give it true, and the value which we don't want in the filter we will put false. So like we have some values here, so I will just remove some value, I will put it somewhere around 4 values. Now for values which we want, we will put true, and value which we don't want, we will put false here. Again I will put false, and again I will put true. So now we have created another array y, and where we have put the values. Now what we will do, we will create another variable which is variable 5, and now we will store all the values of this y in this variable 4, all values of y here. So now we have another variable 5. So now if we will print variable 5, we can only see the values which are true here, so which is L and C, because first of all we will create a variable, we will put an array, then we will give true false, so only the true value will be stored in y, and then we will create another variable 5, and where we will put all this. So this way we can use your functions of your like filter, beside that your search sort array, and where function. Thank you very much.